Are you starting a new job and feeling a bit nervous? Yeah, it's an awkward situation. You are beginning, you don't know anyone, you don't know what is expected from you. So, this is a video for you. I'm gonna go over on how to find your way in your new organization. Stay tuned. Starting a new job is starting over. It's a great opportunity. It's a blank page. Why? Because you are resetting your professional identity. All those biases, labels you got from the previous company, they are all gone. You can start over. Now, leveraging lessons. So, in the previous company, most people called you too aggressive in your communication. You've heard this feedback so many times. Maybe it's something to think about and adjust for the new job. Next, you are going to be exposed to new practices. It's like having a new experience, learning new things. And of course, growing, because when we learn, we grow. We have to redefine priorities. Whatever was not working in the previous job, you have to try and make it work in this one. Now, get ready. Before you start your first day, clean up and dress up. It is nice when we start a new moment, a new stage in our lives, to have a new outfit, maybe different haircut. Get yourself cleaned up and dress up, because this is going to help you have that fresh feeling. Next, set your priorities straight. Let's say that in the previous job, you left the previous job because you were overwhelmed. You didn't have any work-life balance, and you think that is only the company's or your manager's responsibility. But then, that's where you're wrong. You are responsible for your career. And there is a video about that in my playlist, talking exactly on how to deal with tough decisions and making the right decision in the right moment of changing to a new organization. We have to stop blaming other people for our choices. Now, when you set your priorities straight, what are your priorities? Family, health, development. Know that by heart and get ready. Beware of your limits. Self-awareness helps you so much in relationships at work. If you are the kind of person who gets upset when people are disorganized or talk in a certain way, just adjust that in the beginning. Define your professional identity. What is the persona you want to be? Because this is the thing. It's not acting. It is what we do in life. We play different roles. We are sometimes a parent, sometimes a lover, sometimes a son. So, professionally, who are you? Very important, so that you are very aware of everything before you start a new job. Next, start. Fantastic opportunity. Watch and learn. Some people are eager to bring their contributions to a new organization, and they get ahead of themselves. When they do that, when they are too eager, they might step on people's toes. Why? Because when you're trying to change things, you are telling the other people, the way you are doing is wrong. I know what's best. So be careful not to give this impression, especially in the beginning. So in the beginning, I would learn what are the dynamics at work, how people communicate, how they work. Next, set healthy boundaries. When I say healthy, You have to know what is reasonable and what is not. So you have a project that has a tight deadline and people are asking you to work over the weekend. Well, it's a special project. Yeah, it's healthy. What is not healthy is having to work every weekend. So think about that and set the boundaries. Form your own opinion. When you start a new organization, it's very common for some colleagues to come and give their opinion about someone. And that creates a bias. No, get to know the people yourself. Do not trust other people's perceptions. You have your own. And results over impression. I know when you start a new job, nobody knows you and you are eager to get to show your competence. Now, instead of impressing, trying to be on the spotlight all the time, maybe you should focus on what you have to do in the beginning. Because people are looking, people are watching you. And connect before you lead. The first connections, the way you are going to build rapport with your colleagues, your managers, everyone in the company, is going to set the tone on how they are going to accept your leadership. Starting a new job in the first week seems like a very exciting endeavor. However, we don't use that opportunity to really change the way we work. And we should, because we should evolve, learn from past mistakes, observe. You have time, get to know people. This way, you're gonna have many open doors in time. Don't rush. Take your time. I hope this video helped you. If you want more content of this kind, please leave in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more.